So hello friends, my name is Kumar Gaurav and I have just started working with Mulesoft Anypoint Studio and just would like to share the useful information with you. So in this video I will showcase you the walkthrough of Mulesoft Anypoint Studio 3.8. So let's get started. I will start my Mulesoft Anypoint Studio, the executable. Okay, so basically it is asking for a workspace. Workspace is a place where all your project related contents are written. So whenever you create a new workspace, it basically pushes all your contents, whatever projects you create, inside Mulesoft Design Time. So let's click on OK, and it will take a few seconds to start the studio. So there you will will be able to create your mule projects and will able to run them. Okay, so it has been started. Great. Here we have a file tab where we have different options like creating a mule project from template, from example, mule domain project. It's a Java project. Okay, so it also leverages the feature of Java applications. A mule configuration file, since a mule project can hold multiple mule configuration files, the package, class, interface, enumerations, and multiple options that has been provided over here. Okay, we can import, export to a mule project. Okay, we can export a documentation, studio documentation as well. This is one of the rich features of Mulesoft Anypoint Studio, that exports your project related documentation. You don't need to create or write all the things, rather than it creates it for you. Okay, so here we have the edit and navigation, different types, model elements showing. There is a search, file, text. It's a workspace project. There is a project option. We can create, open or close a project. We can build or build all, build working set. Okay, by default there is an option build automatically, so you don't need to manually build over here. Okay, we can run a file. We can go for the debugging. We can run as different options will be available once a new project is created. Okay, there is a window. We can create a new window, editor. You can split, toggle split editor. Okay, there is a help option for Anypoint Studio. Let's check about Anypoint Studio. Studio version is 6 and mule runtime is 3.8. okay, here is a installation. These are the pre-built packages or the connectors, you can say, that are integrated with existing Mulesoft Anypoint Studio. Let's close it. Okay, so this area is basically the package explorer. Package explorer is basically gives you the insight about your mule projects, whatever project you create. Okay, here's an additional options like creating a new project. There's the alternative options. Okay, this will open an Anypoint Exchange. If you are connected to internet, it will go to Exchange. It will ask you the credentials and it will showcase you different options. It is basically connecting right now. I am connected to internet, so let's see what options that it is giving us. It has been loaded. Okay, so there might be some issue with internet connectivity, or there might be issue with Exchange. So okay, so it has been started basically. Okay, there are different connectors, templates, Dremel, visitors, any other thing. Let me widen the screen. These are the different connectors. Some are pre-built or the integrated, some we can download over here. We can search and download different options. Okay, let's close it for now. So next we have the export studio documentation. There's an option from here as well. Okay, here the debugging, running the application. Here we have a quick access. We are currently on the design part. It's a mule palette, API asynchronous. Okay, so we can see more options by creating a simple mule project. So let's get started. So we can create a demo mule project. Let's finish. Okay, so project has been created. This is basically the mule configuration file. This is the main file of your project that contains all the configurations, your design related contents, and the project XML. Although you can have multiple mule configurations files in a single project, okay, but the preference will be given where you have given the base configurations. Okay, so here you can see there are different connectors over here, and here's Amazon S3, okay, the Ajax, there's FTP is the file, HTTP, JMS, Jetty, Magento. Okay, there are different connectors subject to your requirements. Okay, here is search feature, here is the scope, here is a scope, it's a batch commit, flow for each, message enricher. Okay, there are different components over here. There are different transformers, Java, MIME to byte array, MongoDB, object to byte array, object to JSON. There are different kind of filters, idempotent message property, or not, regular expressions. There's a flow control options over here. Here we have different error handling options in current studio. There's a security. Okay, so let's get started by creating a simple HTTP connector. So what we have seen that by dragging and dropping the HTTP connector, it creates by default, it creates a flow. It's a mule flow. Okay, here the name is automatically taken from your project file, project mule configuration file. It's a demo mule project flow. Flow is appended to your current project. However, you can also edit the same, the demo flow. So by clicking the workspace area, it has been changed. Okay, in order to run your HTTP connector, you have to give a configuration, HTTP configuration. Okay, this is the way from where you can create a HTTP connector. You can give a path. I have given a demo. Okay, and that was a base path to your entire project, and this will give path to a particular flow. Okay, it will ask different kind of request methods. I can give a get. I will give the get method. Okay, these are the optional points. Okay, so I can give the, say, it's a print, the path is a print. Okay, so the error icon has gone. So let's take a simple logger. Okay, I will write down few mule expression language. I will use, this is the mule expression language. In this case, message dot inbound properties dot HTTP query parents dot name. Okay, so here we have a logger that will write something in the logger area. Okay, so let's run this project and see what happens it actually. So in order to run this project, go run as mule application. Just wait for a while. Let's see, it has been running and is deployed. So let's go to the browser, and its path is demo. Okay, so it will tell you that there is no such resource is not found. Basically the method is print. Okay, so screen is blank over here because we haven't set any payload, but let's check the logger. Okay, so logger says no listener found for a request get demo, rather than it requests print name is equal to Kumar. And now check the logger. Oh, here the logger message processor says Kumar. So in order to identify or to distinguish the same, I set the concatenation operator between the logger message. Okay, I just have to save all this stuff over here and the things would be changed on the fly. Just refresh this page and check the logger message processor, logger message. Come on. Okay, so by this way we have seen the walkthrough of Mulesoft Anypoint Studio runtime 3.8, that what are the different components, connectors and the features that has been provided in Mulesoft Anypoint Studio. So thank you for watching this. I will be showcasing more videos to enhance your Mule expertise. Thank you.